Hello, so I have a nice simple case that reacted again very fast to the treatment. A woman, age 38. She came to me, she was pregnant. This is her second pregnancy. It took her quite a while to get pregnant. She came to me also to help her get pregnant. She's suffering from symphysis. Symphysis is a pain that happens a lot. Happens a lot in pregnancy. It's pain. It's because of the hormones that are relaxing the ligaments of the pelvis. So sometimes the bone, the pubis bone, that area, there is pain in that area. Most of the patients feel pain in the groin or in the inner thigh. But she also had pain, besides the pain in the groin and the inner thigh, and she also had pain in her lower back. So she was diagnosed as symphysis. She could not walk to get to her house. She needs to go downstairs, so she barely could walk down those stairs. It took her a long time and a lot of effort with a lot of pain. Okay, besides that, she was healthy. I took a pulse. I didn't find anything unusual or anything that I think I needed to relate to. So I didn't even do a root treatment. I used Master Tung Acupuncture, and I just did a simple imaging treatment. So when I think one of the best places to image the pelvis is the shoulder. It's this great. I see so many good results, and using the shoulder, we could treat the whole pelvis. Like the back of the shoulder will treat the back of the pelvis, the side of the pelvis, and the front of the pelvis. So in her case, I want to treat the back and the front of the shoulder, and of course we needle on the opposite side. Okay, so it's a very simple imaging. The back will treat the back, the side will treat the side, and the front will treat the front. So I used on the shoulder, for the back, I used the point that's called 44/7 correct water shui yu, and I added 2 extra points below them, okay, to get a more broader effect of the point. 2 points they're not in Master Tung Acupuncture points that I use. I think maybe I don't know any other name for this point, so I call them Shui Yu Air and Shui Yu San. And like so the first point is Tutsun below 44/17 and another Tutsun. Okay, so these 3 points will be treating the lower back, the area of the lower back. And then to treat the front and the groin and the radiation to the groin, I used 3 points that people that know Mayo's book, he calls it Daoma 4407. It's a 3-point combination of Jianfeng, Shenjian, and Yunbai. So these 3 points, they're like in a triangle that's going like this. So they like imaging also the groin on the opposite side. Jianfeng is Tutsun above Jianzhong. Jianzhong, the middle of the shoulder, 4406. So if we're in the middle of the shoulder, we go Tutsun above. We are on that point. And the Yunbai is Tutsun medial to Jianzhong, 4406. So if this is Jianzhong, we go Tutsun medial. Okay, and the third point is in the midpoint between Jianfeng and Yunbai. It's called Shenjian. Okay, the middle point. I discovered that this point also is very good for insomnia. Okay, so these 3 points here will image the groin. They are very good for groin pain. And then I wanted to relate also to the radiation going down the internal thigh. So I added a point that is 9 Tsun above lung 5. It's called Tianzhong 44010. And 44010 and 4411, it's a good combination in Master Tung acupuncture to address like problems in the vagina, like vaginal discharge or vaginal pain, or and also pain in the uterus. So these 2 points are very, very good for treating gynecological problems. And Tutsung below Yunbai, we have another point named Lai Bai 4412. So I use these 3 points a lot together to treat the area of the vagina. They are very good. It's like a dauma that I like to use. So this like you could see, it's like radiate. This is like the thigh, and this is the groin, and this is the thigh. Okay, so I also added I like to use to treat the pubis bone. Okay, so we could use this area to treat the pubis bone. There are 2 points that are called Shui Tong Shui Jing, 10-10, 19 and 10-10, 20. These 2 points are imaging the pubis bone, and not only that they are good for the bone, for the pubis, they are also tonifying the kidneys. I use only one needle. I thread it, and I did both sides. Okay, bilateral. I also used as a guiding needle Hoju Firemaster 6604. That's also a good point to address the area of the pubis bone. I use it on the painful side. Okay, so that's the basic treatment. It's very simple. I also used Yin Tang and GV20 and GV22. It's like a combination I use to calm. It's a really calming combination. So the outcome of this treatment was very surprising, very fast. I normally get very good results in this kind of problem. But one treatment was enough, and she came to me a few weeks afterwards. I don't remember, 2 weeks afterwards, because she had some nasal problem. She had I forgot. She had a cold.